Hello everyone, this is Zach here from Trip VSA. So today, this short video, I would like to share two counters. I think it's a sort of members. Okay, it's asking whether is it still worth to hold. Okay, I think some of them already in the trades, and some is actually asking is it worth to monitor or not. Okay, so KICS transportation and logistics has been very quiet lately. Okay, so let's look into the charts for the sectors there. And actually, you can go into where is the transportations? Okay, yes, over here. Okay, so yep, has been in pullback. Okay, I believe there's already in red pentagons. Okay, let's look into to the trade basic dashboard. Okay, when you see the overall, okay, the sectors trends everything. Okay, let's go to the sector indices. Okay, so if you look into transportation over here, yep, over here. Okay, now it's already in red pentagon. 13 days. Okay, in red pentagons. Okay, now what you do is that if let's say you're looking for a trade, you haven't entered yet, right? You probably want to wait for the green panel to turn. Okay, now today, I think the STL and LT is still okay. It's still in green color, which means they're still in uptrend. So probably you want to wait for the pullback, okay, to be completed, okay, before you want to look for the entry if you haven't entered. Okay, now there are two counter I think currently is still supported very well. First of all is Syscorp. Okay, personally, and the trade as well. Okay, again, the other trade also in the trades. So if you look into the this chart over here, so overall, I think they are doing a nice reaccumulation. Okay, so this reaccumulation is generally is trendless. Okay, it doesn't come with a VCP patterns, but no doubt there's lots of sign of strength with a small shakeout. Okay, in betweens. So few things that again, if you look closely into the chart, okay, few things that you can pick up here is that the volume on some of this abahi is pretty good. Okay, especially this one. Okay, again, it's a bit disappointing because at the time we thought that it would be a very nice poker period bar, so-called a PP bar. But sometimes PP bar doesn't mean it will follow through immediately, right? But few things we want to look into. PP bar, most of the time it will definitely need to make a support. At the moment, I think they are supported very well. Volume is lower. Okay, so seems like last week and last 2 weeks ago the volume is generally getting lower at the moment. Okay, holding more on trailing 40s. Now, if you're looking into slightly mid to long term, again, this is a techniques that we're going to share with you during the wealth building roadmap. Okay, which is happening next week, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, so for members, remember to join us. So by using the Pentagon in the weekly chart, okay, to help us to identify whether there is nice support is building around the areas or not. So here, okay, so do remember Pentagon have to come in the right place. Okay, you don't want to trade in the wrong place. Okay, example, wrong place. Okay, here, green Pentagons below 2040s. Okay, below 2040s, downtrend. Okay, you want to trade green Pentagon with above price above 2040s. Okay, so here example one. Okay, nice green pentagons. And if you notice, these few weeks, okay, actually the volume is getting lower, dries up. Hopefully it will be low like this. Okay, again, low volume after some several sound strength is a good sign most of the time. Okay, now the other one is Tiongnan Logistic. Okay, so again, this is one of the counters that we've been holding for months as well. It doesn't show further weaknesses, but again, doesn't show any further excitement. But I think it's the volume on the down bar for after since on 8th of October is getting better. Okay, so here we've got some so low volume push up again, double NS. Okay, and these few days the down bar also comes with slightly low volume. Okay, so again, there's no much of excitement overall in these sectors itself, but if you look into overall the trend here, they're actually building a very nice reaccumulation. Okay, so lots of tons of sound strength at the bottoms. Okay, again, we use the similar things because this is a trendless reaccumulation. I think best is that you want to look for the weekly chart, okay, which is looking into slightly mid to long term. Okay, now very high volumes, okay, push the price up, reaccumulation, okay, now returns back to the green pentagon. Okay, if you're looking for entry, I'm not sure, but of course the ideal entry that I always like, okay, by using this weekly chart here is to buy very close with the low of the green pentagon. Okay, which is Syscorp is currently is trading around the areas. So I'm not sure whether now we make a pullback zone before it goes up again. But if you really want to look for the entry, make sure you calculate your risk to reward. Okay, so seems like they are trying to retest several times in this area. Okay, fail again. Okay, but hopefully the next pre-ball will be a stronger one. Okay, now again, this is a video to share with you what's my opinion overall in these two trades, because this is a two trades that we've been holding for quite some times. Some members is asking still move to holds or not. Some is asking whether it can enters or not. Okay, I think overall the reaccumulation is pretty strong. Okay, just that no much excitement at the moment. Okay, based on the volume itself. So again, a kind reminder: this video here is not to do any buy call. I'm not asking you to buy these stocks, sell these stocks. Okay, but by using VSA, this is how usually I look into my trades. Okay, by using the weekly charts for long terms, daily chart for short terms. Okay, now if you like this video here, make sure you click the like buttons and subscribe to this channel. Okay, definitely I will share more this kind of VSA techniques, okay, moving forward in this video. Thank you for watching.